How to fix not receiving emails on Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your device. On the left side, you'll find different options. Here, first, search for your mails in the junk mail, or you can also click on archive. Sometimes it can be an archive or junk email. Simply search for it there. If you don't find it there, you can also search for the person's latest email, right click on them and unblock them if you have blocked them. Also make sure you have good internet connection. Another thing which you can also do is purchase storage for Outlook. Sometimes if you don't have storage, you won't be able to receive emails. And this is how to fix not receiving emails on Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.